Hey guys, here is the Cabin Fever mini scrapbook album that we just finished, and we used the Cabin Fever collection made by Carta Bella. Love that paper. It is one of my favorite winter collections. And so we have these smaller tags on the front. You can do some journaling, do anything you want with them, add some photos on the back. And then opens up, and this has a magnetic button in here. Winter weather is better together. We've got snow days. This drops down. This is such a cute collection. The paper is so adorable. And we have a waterfall that's also with a magnet to keep it closed. There's plenty of room to add photos and journaling. Then we have a couple of cute little pockets here with these tags. I love these little snowmen. Another little spot to add photos, and a tag pulls out of here. Some more spots for photos. And then here's another little pocket with a larger tag. And then a spot to add cards, photos, tags. And then another waterfall with the magnetic button. Friends make everything bearable. Yes, they do. We love this winter collection. Cute little snowman. So right now this is available in our Etsy store. If you like our video, be sure to give us a like, and click the subscribe button to see more. And thanks for stopping by and watching.